guys, Mark Stowe here from StoWs Window Cleaning, and I made the mistake the other day of pushing my pole away a little bit too quickly, and I actually caught the lever of the clamp. The clamp still works fine, but if you look at that, that's the one that I snapped compared to that. So basically you're missing the bit that you grip when you want to open the clamp. So it was a little bit annoying. Thankfully, Lee and Paul sent me out another lever to replace. So let's do that quickly now. Shouldn't take too long. Got a little wash on it. Get it right way around. He says, which is that way around. Literally just got to line up the heel. Trying to do this and keep it in the shot. It's a pain. That's it. One replaced lever. And also while I was here, I fitted this tap, which is a slightly bigger than normal tap, because this hose is a slightly bigger outer diameter. Literally just cut the hose. Let's bring it down a bit. Literally cut the hose. It is, you probably can't see that, but it is directional. So you've got in and an arrow facing that way, which means it's going to come in this way and go out that way. That just pushes on there. That just pushes on there. I like to have a secondary tap, even though I've got the fob. It's nice to have a secondary tap just in case the fob's out of range. There we go. Thanks for watching.